TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Monday, middle of the trading day, and we got markets accelerating to higher prices. The only index currently in the red, you get the Russell right now, negative by about 16 points. You see the sell-off on the Russell. It begins right at 9:30. We go from 22.90 all the way down to 22.50. You're talking about 40 points, getting a little bit of a bounce, but Russell, trading lower today at a time when we have tech stocks accelerating higher. You get the NASDAQ 100 up 1.8%, back above 13,000. We were at 12,681 as recent as the lows on Friday. You're now approximately 400 points above that level in the NASDAQ 100. S&P's up 29 points at 39.29. You see the acceleration as well right at 9:30. You're trading at 39.04. S&P's 25 points above that level. The Dow's up 75 points right now, 32,575. We jump to commodities. Bitcoin, commodity currency, nonetheless, Bitcoin down about 3% today, but behaving pretty well, all things considered, above 57,000, 57,235. We've got crude up 6 pennies at 61.50. Quite the sell-off on Thursday in crude. That market looks to have stabilized a bit, 61.51. Gold contract right now down about $5 at $17.36. Gold hit a low last week of $17.16. Silver is off 56 cents right now at $25.77. And we'll jump to notes and bonds. Could be driving some of the action as we have rising prices and lower yields. We got the 10-year up about 12 ticks, 131.19. You're talking about a yield now in that 10-year about 1.69%. Well off the 1.75 that we had when you had the 10-year trading to 131 last week. We almost got right down to that level again on Friday, and we're up a bit, up about 19 ticks. All things considered, though, folks, you take a look at the yields. You're talking about, we're trading basically at lower prices. You could call it quite a blip on this chart. We make a low on Thursday at 131, almost at that level on Friday, a bit of a reprieve, but you put the 10-year even on a weekly just to see where we are, folks. You're now within, whether you're below where we were to start 2020, this critical area going back to the middle of 2019, we were holding. That high was 132.13. We're well below the highs we had middle of 2019. And if we break below there, you're talking about 128, the next stop potentially on that 10-year. Stay tuned, folks. We got a man, Larry Pesavento. It's coming up live right now from 12 till 1. Live programming all day, folks. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.